I took the carburetor off again and adjusted the throttle valve. Before when I was pushing the throttle, pushing the accelerator, the linkage was adjusted so tight that the valve was always pushed in. That little diaphragm on the bottom of the float bowl was always pushed in. So when I pushed the accelerator, it wasn't pumping. I've adjusted that, but it's still, once gas gets into the float, it's acting like it's not pumping. It's not pumping any gas into the carburetor when I hit the accelerator. The only way it'll start is if I pull the choke out, which causes a higher vacuum, and it pulls the gas out of the float bowls. I've already tried to blow some carburetor cleaner through the passage, and that didn't work very well. I may have to take the carburetor off again and try to blow some compressed air through there. It must be blocked or something. This is the problem that's seems like it's been getting worse, and it started a long time ago when I had to have the choke out just a little bit just to keep it running, and now it's come to I can't even start it. Oh, it's gonna lie there. Nothing. It won't pump any gas into the carburetor. It might be pumping a little bit. Yeah, nothing. But pull the choke out, and she fires right off. I didn't have to give it any gas. Push the choke back in. I can push it back in about to there, and that's, the RPMs are down enough where I can put it in gear and drive it. And she'll drive. I'll drive up and down the street. If I don't have any trouble, I got it to stop sticking. The spring wasn't tight enough on the throttle link on the accelerator pedal. And now it wants to die. Pull the choke out, it'll run fine. Put the choke all the way in, and she'll die. And then once she dies, she won't start. And see, that does nothing. So pull the choke all the way out. Oh, I'm thinking that passageway is completely blocked. So I don't know where it's pulling gas from, if the jets are blocked, but pulling it from somewhere. But I took her for a drive today, hoping to blow that trash through, and it wouldn't do it. I'm gonna have to take it apart to. Now, if I push the choke in, here's something else. If I push the choke in and keep the throttle down, it'll stay running. But I can't let up on it too much, and then it just there. It won't stay running. And even when you're driving, when you push the choke in, as long as your foot's on the accelerator, she'll stay running. But if you let go, even when I was driving 35 miles an hour, I let go of the accelerator and she stalled, and I had to come to a complete stop to restart the bus again. So, I don't know if you're wondering what that was. There's a curb idle on the linkage that keeps the, I guess it's called curb idle. It's a little electronic solenoid that keeps the throttle down a little bit when you're trying to key off the pedal jumps. Alright. There's my throttle pumping video for those who wanted to see it.